it's Amanda, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Pisco Sour, the signature drink of Peru and Chile, made with Pisco, which is an unaged brandy, essentially. There's no wood or oak on this at all. It's a delicious spirit made from wine or fermented fruit juice. So, I love the flavor of Pisco, so I'm going to use a fair amount, maybe about 2.5 ounces. And this drink will make you feel good, and when you're in Peru or Chile, you'll experience it everywhere. It's become extremely popular in America as well. I'm going to use about 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. So lime is the citrus in here. And because I have lime, I'm also going to use some simple syrup. Simple syrup, everybody, is what it sounds like. Sugar and water. That's it. Bartender's secret to balance cocktails. And this drink is a sour, so it includes egg whites. And we're going to do something called a dry shake. So we shake the drink first with the egg white in it, and then we'll add the ice and shake again. That's how you get that frothy, foamy top on the drink that you see in all these cool cocktail bars. And that's what whiskey sour is supposed to be made with. Sometimes you'll make a whiskey sour with sour mix, and you'll get that froth just from sugar, but it's really supposed to be egg white. Egg white gives the drink a lot of body. So we're really gonna shake now and get that foam of the egg white, almost like a meringue, and then we're gonna go back and put the ice. Rapido. So think about it as if you're making meringue or just whipped egg whites or whipped cream. You really got to get the air in there. So shake it, shake it, shake it. Do your figure 8. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and put the ice, and we're going to shake again. That was our dry shake. This is our wet shake with the ice. Woo! I cannot wait for this drink. Rapido! All right. The ice always makes your shaker stick together. It's just science, guys. Just use your muscles to separate the 2 containers. Okay, and then you remove the top. And we're gonna strain out the ice into our gorgeous coupe glass. And get all that egg white. See that? It's foamy, almost like meringue. For any of you bakers out there, you know what I'm talking about. And this gives me a canvas for my bitters. This gets finished with a little bitters. So we have that tart from the lime, sweet from the simple syrup, and this is where you can get fancy. I don't want to put too much because bitters is very strong with your designs. Just take a little skewer or toothpick, run it through, make little hearts or whatever you like, and cheers. Salud. Pisco Sour. Try it. I know you're gonna love it.